Pumasok
ka dyan, in just 2 months time, magiging millionaire ka na.
Doon na.
So
merong
hindi
ups and downs. To never give up. To never give up. Mayroon kang goal, dreams. So focus ka lang doon.
That you're not worth of your time doing.
Wala namang natutulong yon. Wala namang natutulong yon.
Doc, what initially drove you to network marketing industry? And at the same time, are there specific event or person na nag-inspire sa imo mo join?
So actually, I have friends who are very successful in network marketing. So especially one of my mentors. Pero what drove me is more on the products. So actually, a member of our family nagkaroon ng health challenges.
I see.
So because of that product, so natulungan. Then that's the time na I went to try network marketing. So sinubukan ko siya, so far maganda naman.
So how is there any challenge kasi you've been a professional as a doctor, and then at the same time you've been a nurse. So hindi ka ba nahihirapan transitioning from self-employed to doing your business in network marketing?
So actually, nag-start ako ng business, di ba?
Yes.
So as a businessman, so parang ganun lang din. So I started all over again. Pero I would rather say na dili gyud sa yun. It's not easy doing network marketing. So it's not like na if I join this, I'll get rich, I'll get millionaire.
Yeah, that's, di ba yun yung mga thoughts ng mga tao na,
pag pumasok ka
dyan, in just 2 months time, magiging millionaire ka na.
Doon na.
So, hindi ganun yung conception mo, hindi ganun yung tanaw mo.
Actually, meron talagang journey. So, merong ups and downs.
Yeah.
Pero, the best thing about it is to never give up.
I see.
In any kind of business, whether it's network marketing, traditional business, never give up. Mayroon kang goal, dreams. So, focus ka lang doon.
Paano yung mga nagbabash sa'yo saying that you're not worth of your time doing the business? Are you not affected to that? That gives you to a point na mag-give up ka na?
It doesn't matter eh. Kasi, if you know what your dreams are, if you know what you want, so kahit anong bash pa yung sinasabi nila, bakit mo naman intindihin yung mga bashers na yan, di ba? Especially, wala namang natutulong yon towards your business.
Exactly.
So, focus ka lang dun sa business mo. Focus ka lang, continue what you are doing.
I see.
So, push lang yun and never give up. So,